Okay, Mary, where's your class? Where's your
Where's your hook?
Where's your class, Mary?
Stop taking pictures!
It's this way. Get this way.
Where is it? Point to Daniel.
But you have to stop taking pictures!
Okay, let's go to your class. Come on.
And stop!
I am. I've stopped. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Yep, okay.
Is that your classroom there?
Good job.
Okay, where's your hook? Mary, this one. Can you hang your bag?
Hands together, please. Hands together, please.
Go ahead, hang your bag up.
Going this way.
Okay. Now hang your bag.
Goes down low.
Okay.
My bags go down low. Get down.
Okay, can you give Daddy a big hug and kiss? Give me a big hug and kiss. Ah, I love you.